Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, behind me, you're probably wondering, what car is this? Well, we're going to fill you in. We're going to let you take a good look at it, and the orange paint should kind of be a giveaway, even the rims. Most of you guys are just thinking, okay, it's a 69 Charger. It's not just any 69 Charger. This car is the General Lee and was used by the cast. But unfortunately, this car went in for a makeover to be restored, and the company that was working on it never finished it, and the car had to be retrieved. So unfortunately, this car is the state that it's in. So I'm going to walk you around, and hopefully nobody starts crying. But a buddy of mine, Dave Lindbergh, would be really mad and probably start bawling if he's seen this car, the condition it's in. I'm going to try and pan out here. I mean, this car needs quarter panel work. It needs a complete restoration. And it's unfortunate that the car is in this state. But a buddy of mine, Jeff, has some good friends, and myself will all jump in and make sure this car comes back to life once again. So yeah, here's some of the parts that are in the trunk. The motor's not here. The transmission is still sitting in it. And, of course, we got our Hazzerd County University. Gotta have that. So as you can see, I mean, the car is down to bare metal. They started working on it and then they just stopped and the car had to be taken back. And one thing we found, a bullet hole in the quarter panel. And judging by my finger, that's a pretty good sized hole. So, yep, I mean, she's gonna get brand new quarters. Everything. This car will shine like a baby's behind when it's done. Here at the front end of it, unfortunately sitting on the roof. And some of the fenders, I mean, they stripped everything down and then they just left it, unfortunately. So here is the tan interior, what's left of it for right now. I mean, the car has been dismantled. So it's supposedly supposed to be restored, but we're going to make sure this car gets restored the right way. As you can see, fenders are off of it. Here's the whole core support. Oil cooler. And there's the transmission. And there's the original gorgeous orange paint. But it will shine again. Going to take a lot of love and a lot of TLC and a lot of blood, sweat, and beers for this car. But we will get her back together. So don't everyone worry, I will keep you guys updated on the progress. Every time something changes, I will come in and film it. And yes, that tire is not attached. That kind of freaked me out too when I seen it like that. But no biggie, the car's not going anywhere right now. So you guys have seen it. Yes, this is the General Lee, and it will be the General Lee again. So until then, keep you guys posted, stay tuned, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon.